So everyone like when their videos are nice and stable, but sometimes the built-in camera stabilization isn't good enough. That is why they make gimbals, but in most cases they are pretty expensive, especially the new DJI and Zion gimbals. But today I have two budget options from a company called Hohem. So stick around, I'm about to check them out. What's up guys, it's Ryan here with Homeoftech, and today we're going to be talking about gimbals. So if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. And remember to check us out over on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So the two gimbals that we're going to be checking out are the iSteady Multi and the iSteady Mobile. They are from the same company with a lot of similarities but with slightly different users in mind. So let's start with the baby brother, the iSteady Mobile, which was made to be used with smartphones. The best thing about this gimbal is the price of just $89.99 on Amazon, which is way better than all the other gimbals from DJI and Zion and a few other companies. The packaging was pretty nice. Hohem did include an instruction manual along with a mini tripod and a charging cable. And to top it off, it has one feature that all the other mobile gimbals don't have: 600-degree rotation. So you're able to do inception shots, which a lot of other gimbals don't have. The controls are pretty good as well. The gimbal has a joystick for controlling the gimbal movements. There's also a mode button, record button, and a zoom lever to control the camera while using the iSteady app. The gimbal has a micro USB input for charging as well as a USB-A for charging devices such as your smartphone. It also has a trigger on the back which allows you to have better control over the panning motion of the gimbal. It's pretty easy and simple to use. Just download the app and connect via Bluetooth. With this gimbal, you're able to get really smooth footage of whatever you're trying to capture. The gimbal paired with the app also has visual auto tracking, panorama, and motion time-lapse. Now let's talk about the iSteady Multi, which is the big brother for the iSteady Mobile. The Multi gives you the ability to not only mount a smartphone, but you're also able to mount a point and shoot camera as well as an action camera. And the best part of it is that it only costs $149.99 on Amazon compared to the other gimbals on the market with similar compatibilities. I also want you guys to know that I picked up a handy sling grip from a company called Gimbal Gear to use with the iSteady Multi, because this is the one that I'll be using. The mobile will be going to my little brother. It didn't fit out the box, so I had to put some rubber bands around this area so it would be able to fit perfectly. The handy sling grip is perfect for when I'm recording in undersling mode, getting those shots that are a little bit harder to get. So the iSteady Multi and the iSteady Mobile has the same controls at the front and back, as well as the same features. However, the iSteady Multi has a couple physical features that might make it the better of the two. The first one is the Manfrotto quick release mounting plate, which allows you to transfer your camera to a Manfrotto tripod if you wish to. The second is the micro USB port on the gimbal that allows you to connect and control a Sony point and shoot camera. You can mount other point and shoot cameras on the gimbal, but you won't be able to use the gimbal controls to control the camera. So if that's an important feature for you, then you might need to try another brand gimbal. But for me, I will be using my smartphone, so that won't be a problem. I also wanted to let you guys know that the iSteady app is a little glitchy, but if you're using your smartphone, you can use Filmic Pro or your phone's regular camera app. But apart from those two cons, everything else appears to be what I need it for, and I will be adding this to my group of gadgets. Overall, I think this is a good gimbal for the price and works well for beginners and mobile content creators. It's compact and will get the job done. I will be linking it in the description below for those who want to check it out. That's it for this video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.